Hey everyone. Okay. Learning hint of the midterm. How to embed a Google map. All right. Go to your Google Maps and go ahead and type in the address of where you want to go and get there. And then it will have something like this where you can get directions, save, etc., etc. There's also something that you can share. So when you click share, then you'll see here copy link, and you could really just put the link as a link on a web page, and then when the person clicks the link, it will go to this page. So that's one way to do it. The other way is to embed the actual map. And so you're going to click on embed a map. And you click here, and then you'll see the copy HTML right here. You're going to click that, copy that, and then you're going to go into your code. So I have a Notepad++ on, and I have the code that I gave you for to start with for the midterm. And so I'm going to go down, and the actual place that I want to put it, okay, I'm going to put this over here. Come on, slide over. Did it slide? Kind of, yeah. Okay. So I have this open actually in Firefox. So the page as a default that I gave you guys that you have to start working with looks like this to begin with. Then to embed the map, I want to put the map under location right here. And so I've just got a spot right here, and I'm going to go back into my code, and I'm going to find location. So this is where it is, and here's the image placeholder right here. So I can see that my image placeholder is width 400, height 200. So I'm going to want to try to get it close to that. So let's go ahead and just put in the code. So after I copied the embed code from Google, I'm just going to do a Control V to copy that in there. And then we can see that this is in an iframe code, and you can hopefully start reading some of this stuff now. So I see that I got this iframe source, and then it has a Google page, and it has the big long directions, and then it has the width and the height, and the border is 0. Allow full screen if they want to. Loading lazy, and it's in that iframe. So what I can do is the original one. Let's see, is width 400 by 200. I can go ahead and just put that in. Let me show you what it looks like now. So I'll go ahead and save this. Actually, I'll make a copy of it so I don't mess up my current file. So save as, and I'm going to just call it map. This is my practice map .html. And I'm going to go ahead and open that by coming here, and I will just type that in real quick. And I named it map.html. Okay, and so now I come and see what it looks like. I'm like, oh, it worked. Woohoo. Okay, so look, it worked right here. And then I have the old one down here, so I can just take this code out. But I can also make this smaller if I want. It's actually nicer that it's a little bit bigger, but if I wanted to make it the exact size, then I'm just going to come into my code, and I will, let's see, 400 by 200. So I'm going to go ahead and put in here 400, height 200, and it would fit right in that page. So let me go ahead and save it now. I'll come back to my map, refresh, and see how tiny. So now it's the same size. So now I just need to go back in my code and delete the image source placeholder for that one, and save that. Come back here, refresh, and la la. That's how you embed a Google map.